Calling all fellow Tongsmen, it's time to relight your grills. I'm excited to announce that I'm once again partnering with Johnsonville this fall for the second season of its Titanium Tongsman contest, a competition for only the proudest of the proud carnivores whose level of tailgating, grilling wisdom, and love of sausage is boundless. Between now to October 23rd, share a photo or video to Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter using hashtag Johnsonville Tongsman Contest, showing off how you make room on the grill for Johnsonville sausage. From favorite sausage recipes to elite tong flipping skills or just throw in your favorite variety of sausage on the grill, go big, go bold, and make it clear that you're the top Tongsman when it comes to backyard barbecues or tailgating. 2 finalists will get the chance to cook with me as they battle it out in a live cook-off event before the 2022 SEC Championship game in Atlanta, Georgia on December the 3rd. Do you have what it takes to be named the Titanium Tongsman? Check out tongsman.com for more details.